Okay guys, it's just me today. The weather is very nice and very warm, but it's dry. So I have to water all our shrubs and I will get water into our barrels that are there at the end of the property and then water the shrubs from there because it's faster than going with the garden hose from one shrub to the other and wait. That's too slow. Be prepared for a lot of weather talk today. Professionally, I work as a meteorologist, and being in the garden is always a nice opportunity to watch the clouds. I can get easily excited by the weather, so there is a lot of babbling coming. Hopefully, you are ready for all of it. I have to connect 4 garden hoses together. "200 meters of garden hoses later, and here we are at the end of our property. The water pump is turned on, but I'm still waiting for the water to arrive because it's quite far and the pump is not that strong, but the water is still coming and yeah, it's quite a process. And the water has arrived! Yay! Flowing. This barrel is 300 liters big, so it's quite practical to put the water here. And now I'm going to use a watering can and water our shrubs. So far I've been faster than the water is flowing. So I have to wait a little bit. But see, it's faster using the watering can because moving the garden hose from one shrub to another, it would take quite a lot of time. So let me relax for a few minutes because it's not an easy job. I'm sweaty and yeah, but nice workout as always. Work is, I don't know, combination of fun and workout. I don't know if fun is the right word, but you know, it's useful, so that's nice. I guess it's great to be faster than water, right? It would be better to be faster than sound or light, maybe. But this is nice as well. This whole side is almost done, so that's great. But this is what's waiting for me. This whole long side. We have many shrubs, so it's a lot of work, but we want the shrubs to grow, so it has to be done. I'm on a break again, waiting for the water to flow in. Usually I'm the lazy one, so it's always a great feeling to do something. It's always like, oh no, I don't feel like doing anything today. But then, when the work is done, it's the feeling of accomplishment, and that's very great. There is a small probability of rain today. As you can see, the clouds are growing, and when they are big enough or tall enough, a shower or a thunderstorm develops, and then it starts raining under the cloud. But you know, it's so random. We would have to get really lucky for the cloud to grow above us. And yeah, usually it's very random unless it's some bigger system. So I doubt it will happen today. I think I will take a break now because there are workers next to the fence where I want to water the next shrubs. So I don't want to be there now. You know, the troubles of an introvert. So I will go on a break and have something to eat. Guys, it's thundering. There is a thunderstorm there, a few kilometers from us. So we'll see. It's coming onto us, but it's dissipating as always. So I'm curious to see if it happens or not.
Guys, it's so nerve-wracking.
It is. It totally is. Thunderstorms usually avoid me. So
See? It's drawn to me.
I guess it's a no to eating our lunch outside. The thunderstorm is almost over, so it's time for me to pick chive flowers because I want them on my bread. Look, the chives are blossoming. It's pretty and it's very tasty. It tastes like onion, but better. So it's a must to have it on a bread. The air is so fresh now, it's amazing, I love it. After the rain, it's great. So I'm going to eat my bread here, outside. After all, a little bit later than expected, but it's great to be here now. Such a cute little green frog.
You can see it.
Yeah, this is like the weather frog. Should I let... okay.
It's gone.
That
Thank
was
you.
fast.
Any final words?
Sorry guys, hopefully you saw something. I went for a short walk, you know, just to soak in the atmosphere. And there is another thunderstorm there. So that looks very nice. I love to observe thunderstorms and showers because that's the most interesting part of weather, I would say. But doesn't have to be for other people, but for me it's like that. It's absolutely great to have nature right at your doorstep. You don't have to go through the city or travel somewhere to be in nature, but it's right here, so peaceful. There you can see the structure of a cloud. There is no precipitation, but below it, the gray, smooth area, that's the heavy rain. I'm going to continue water the shrubs on this long side. The workers are on a lunch break because otherwise they are here constantly. They are building the barn. It's going very slowly, so it's quite annoying. There are quite a lot of thunderstorms around us again, but it's so unreliable, and it really didn't rain much yesterday. It wasn't a high amount of precipitation. Watering the shrubs is more reliable. I'm now watering the area here close to this barrel, so I'm again faster than the water is flowing, so I have to wait a little bit. And it's still thundering. It's so bizarre when there are thunderstorms everywhere around me and I'm watering the shrubs. But oh well, look at those fluffy clouds. That's developing thunderstorms. And here as well, this one is already developed. That's where the thunder is coming from. But we need a new shower or thunderstorm developed there, where there is nothing. So that's why it's important to water the shrubs. Look at their barn. It's not there yet. It's slowly coming together, and when it's done, it could be good for us because we won't be visible from that side. If there is a wall right next to the fence, we don't know. So we'll see. Guys, some clouds are developing there in the empty space where the thunderstorms are coming from, so that would be the best direction for us if we want a thunderstorm. So something is happening there, we'll see what happens. And it's interesting there, look how tall the clouds are growing. So that's new thunderstorms in progress. Looks amazing. It's finished. I watered 129 shrubs. I counted them now, and it's a lot of water because this watering can is 10 liters, so it was 1290 liters, which is a lot, more than a ton of water if we would weigh it. So I'm great, I'm happy about this, and yeah, let me rest for a bit now. You know what's funny? That people are usually totally unaware that it's coming. And then the rain starts pouring, of course, and they run. It's funny to know that it's coming and I can prepare, but other people don't know it. The workers are there just thinking the thunder and lightning is just for fun, or I don't know, and then they're going to run. I'm still glad I watered all the shrubs because that's extra water for them. This is nothing, and water is life force, right? And after the storm, here comes the sun. So pretty. It's really fresh now, and I love it. You must be getting sick of the word thunderstorm by now. So let's end this little video here with a lot of sunshine, and see you guys next time. Bye!